All right, I thought I'd show you actual messy kitchen, like legit. Okay, so we are making, I have some fire cider there, some elderberry syrup that the husband had. I am making cheddar cheese. So I've got the cheddar cheese. It's got the coagulant in there, or the rennet coagulating itself. I can't even talk this morning. I'm so tired already. This is some queso fresco that's kind of doing its thing right now. I've got some yogurt over there that I heated up way too high. Just missed the overboiling, but I'm letting it cool down. Then I'm going to add its culture. I've got some lard draining into the pig scrap bucket. I've got water for the Berkey on the counter. I've got all the stuff that I'm going to throw in the kids' smoothies besides the fruit. So we've got hemp hearts and flaxseed and some powders. I got to get a green powder still. Some nutritional yeast, chia seeds. Oh, what's the stuff? Psyllium, some elderberry syrup. I've got, the dishes just got done, so I'm cooling them down because I have this load of dirty dishes there. Coffee, of course. I've got some eggshells that I gotta throw out to the kitten, or to the kitten, no, to the chickens. Oh my gosh. I've got syrup that I gotta put away. I've got the yogurt culture that I gotta put in there. Creamer that I took off the top of the milk. I've got some bones and skin left over from last night's chicken dinner that I gotta put in a bag because we grind up and make up our own dog food. I've got just random stuff all over the counter. I've got some buttermilk I gotta throw in the fridge. We've got some tea and some lemon drink for the kids. Some gnats, of course, because I love the fermenting of the sourdough. I've got some sourdough pie crust that it's fermenting overnight. I've got some buttermilk culture sitting on my counter. So yeah, we are loading it up with the mess today. So I'm gonna get this uploaded, let you guys see how it really looks sometimes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. See ya.